Good evening and welcome to the TerryTracker channel. Tonight we are at Hartlepool Marina to have a look at the tall ships. As you can see, there are ships here from all around the world, and these are just some of the smaller ones. As well as the tall ships and the fun fair, we also have food offerings down here in the marina. Get to the chopper! There is also this area, which is full of little stalls where you can buy hats, fish, honey, jam, lots of stuff, all sort of crafty stuff. Yes, that was a random thing to say, but yeah, even cheese, look. That's how random it is down here.
I love chocolate and cheese. Try this one. Caramelised onions and red wine. Call that the drunken monk.
So like I say, this market area is very random with the things you can buy. And yes, I did have to buy some cheese. Captain? 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 As you can see, there's more of them stalls over that side, as well as ships. And on this side of the water. Climbing the rigging. And we've found more food offerings. Everywhere you look around here, there's food, there's drinks, there's merchandise, and cheese. And of course, ships. Well, when I think of tall ships, I think of really tall ships. Guess what we just found? Now, this is what I like. Now, that is one heck of a ship. Look at that. Wow. Cheers. And I've managed to get on board one of the largest ships here at the tall ships race, and this one's all the way from Poland. All of the races that this particular ship has actually been in. as you may or may not saw, it began to pour down. So yeah, we've come back to the car, we've done a Tim. Anywho, that was the Tall Ships Race 2023, hosted this year by Hartlepool. Hope you enjoyed the little walk around. See you all in the next one. Now it's time to do your job.